Hey, this is Jim. I'm going to do a review today on a Harbor Breeze Calverton 52-inch ceiling fan. It's about as close as you can get to a ceiling hugger without being one. It's probably maybe 7 to 10 inches down to the blades. So I think it requires 7 foot clearance from the floor, if I remember right. But I want to comment. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but the fan is actually running right now, and that's a pretty quiet fan. So let me turn that off and let it die while I talk about a couple things on this, or let it stop, if you will, while I talk about a couple of other things on this. Um, I'm going to turn the camera angle a different way so you can get an idea on the lighting of the variance of lightings. There's 5 different settings of light, from softer light or coloring, that you can get with this. So let me turn this around here. Okay, so if you hit the color change, you can see the colors are changing. There's 5 different settings of these lights, and then there's a dimmer, which you know what a dimmer does, so I don't have to go into that. I believe these are timers. I haven't tried them yet, but I wanted to comment on this remote control. Take great care to follow the instructions that are given on this remote control. If you don't, you'll be pulling down your ceiling fan and trying to troubleshoot why it's not working. So take care to read the instructions. Now I want to tell you a little bit about the ceiling fan here on, whoops, you turn it on. When you're installing it, make sure you have this ring, which I haven't put all the way up in there. Make sure you have it sitting on this, or else you'll be pulling it all apart and rewiring it. It's a mess if you have to. I know, I found out. Secondarily, these fans go into the housing, which is great. I haven't seen it done that way. And then there's a plate of LEDs. I've seen there's a lot of pictures on that I'm including with all this, so just so you know. And all right, so I'm going to show you 2 pages in this instruction manual that'll, besides the installation instructions, are probably the most important. Do not throw away this manual. It goes through how to set up your remote and how to troubleshoot what might be going on with it. And also, I want to let you know, if you don't have the directional switch all the way to one direction or the other, the fan will also not operate. So page 14 is a super important page, and page 16, super important page. Because if you don't follow the instructions thoroughly, you'll be on this page, and it's a page you need to go to learn to go to. Also, next to it, page 15, your limited lifetime warranty, and that's pretty important information also. So with the remote control, it also comes with a bracket to hang it on the wall, which is rather convenient. You can place that next to your light or whatever. If you can leave the light on this, turn off the switch, and come back in and use it as a regular light. But yeah, that's probably standard for most. But at any rate, yeah, crazy. It's going to take some getting used to with the remote on what you can do, what you can't do. So read up on that. Read your instructions, your manual. So this thing puts out an incredible amount of light, a great amount of air, circulates air really well, almost as good as our box fan. So I recommend this product. I didn't have any issues putting it together. It was good. So any rate, thanks for your time. It's about all I can put together on this one. We'll see over time. I'm sure if something happens, the warranty is pretty good. Thank you very much. Have a great day.